What is up, Boo Boo Gang? So today we're gonna be reacting to Token Cough Freestyle.
Shout out to everybody worldwide.
Worldwide.
Wherever y'all at on the planet Earth, what's
Shout
up?
out to y'all.
You know what I'm saying? Don't forget to pick up that merch. New merch coming, man. I'm really excited about it. I know we've been talking about it in a lot of videos, but I'm really excited about it. You know what I'm saying? My daughter
made some moves in the past couple of days. That's all I'm gonna say.
She's been working hard behind the scenes. You know what I'm saying?
It's gonna be dope.
So I mean, hopefully we hoping that things will get back to normal. And if they do, then we're gonna display our talents to the world. Right now, let's get the token.
Cough Freestyle.
Cough?
Yes.
So.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dad, no, whoa. Take the forearm. Because if you're coughing on your hands and then you be touching something.
I'm in a house. My germs is your germs. My germs is your germs.
Whoa!
We got the same germs. I'm not talking about bodily fluid. I'm talking about the same bacteria and stuff in here you breathe. I got that.
Yeah, but you got different, your saliva.
Read the science.
You're a little different.
So I'm getting over this fucking cough, baby. We got
Hey, brand new crib, I love to wake up. Top it, same time as my breakup. That girl dread this like Jamaica. Window blacking at 2, 3 a.m. I whip wearing that shit like makeup. I touch.
Whoa. First of all, Token, we missed your music, man.
This beat is hard, though.
Where Token been? Token beats.
These beats is better than trap beats.
He just be hid.
These joints that be. Like you want to work out, do 100 clip joint push-ups. You know what I'm saying? Hit that bag. Go back, man. Let's go back to the beginning. That beat is crazy, man.
Hey, brand new crib, I love to wake up. Top it, same time as my breakup. That girl dread this like Jamaica. Window blacking at 2, 3 a.m. I whip wearing that shit like makeup. I touch up my ring like layup. My deal didn't come with no pay cuts. Still moving independent, no pending. My pending, everything I hold. My only intention is attention, more tension in the air like smoke. That girl keep loving me too much. I only love back whenever they don't. Drive me so quickly, my dick feel like some getaway car she stole. The water flows.
Token be on. He be on some other stuff,
My deal didn't come with no pay cuts. Still moving independent, no pending. My pending, everything I hold. My only intention is attention, more tension in the air like smoke. That girl keep loving me too much. I only love back whenever they don't. Drive me so quickly, my dick feel like some getaway car she stole. I get a repertoire that flows, and I still set the bar with those. Telling my chick I really don't trip, but I get a deck of card hoes. My patience thin, I'm Kendall. Temper short, I'm Kevin Hart below. I still live life like I'm broken, bitch. I'm very far from broken. Now I get a home to bracket. Now I get a home to tactic. I used to record in the closet, in between all them jackets. Ma told me that I wouldn't be average. Proved her right, I became established. They want me to be way more active, but my life can't fit in no caption. I begin to UK, grow my traction. Get my money, fly home and stack it. Queen Elizabeth, Papa Franklin. My pockets look pornographic. I don't got a girlfriend, no attachment. Overread leading to overreaction. Kill a pussy, leave an open casket. Just so the broken habit. I'ma get the homies active, no distraction. Bitch got moves like Jackson, lips like Tony Braxton. Ain't a fascist, but my whip is German. Think I drove the fastest. Tigers passing, I control her vision. Plus I buy her lashes, lashing out. I buy her back in this life. I imagine this that shit. Don't this shit a marathon. Money first, I put a bag above us all like it's a carry-on. And she barely even my
Yo, he going off on this. This is hard right here.
Token.
This is hard, yo.
He just never misses.
This is hard.
Lashes lashing out, I buy her back in this life. I imagine this that shit you barely on. Don't this shit a marathon. Money first, I put a bag above us all like it's a carry-on. And she barely even my type, dog. I don't really care at all. I just condition her so well, she'll think this shit a hair salon. Just met she let me hit it off the bat. I think she think I'm bare bomb. I like that shit, but I can't trust you. Watch this trick, I'm there and gone. Disappear, these rappers probably diss me, cause I won't let them share a song. Ain't fucking gauging in the water, little bitch. Let's get the marathon. Let's go. I can only do the freestyle shit one at a time. Get a free to turn the baby keep up. I'ma get the pussy when I get the meat up. I'ma get the vacuum when I get the prenup. I'ma get the money when I get to read up. Save it till I find myself enough freedom. When I get to ease up, I'ma calm down. Never get my seat up. And my brand new girl don't even got an IG, so I just import it. My old girl tried too hard to go viral. I got a order. I just got me a deal, still spinning like I can't afford a lure. But I got 3 in my fucking corner. I can give you up covers, couple quarters. I'm like, fuck.
Okay.
Curfew next week.
That's hard.
Token dropping something next week called Curfew.
So that beat was crazy. Boy got talent, man.
Oh my goodness.
Shout out to Token, man.
That man fire.
Coughing. he was definitely coughing on that track, heavy on that. He was spitting that fire on that joint. All type of nasty blue.
He be having some.
All that is coming out on that track. He was just spitting up all that.
He be having some raunchy bars.
Yeah, shout out to Token though. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to all y'all worldwide.
Worldwide, right, yo, like we should be getting a lot of music from a lot of artists because you can't go nowhere. So if you got a studio in your crib, put some freestyles out, man. Put some music out, man.
Facts.
I mean, you in the house 24/7.
Facts. And a lot of videos from YouTubers like us.
Like, man, matter of fact, man, the reacting, like all the reactors that react, we like the A&Rs, man. So let us live, UMG. Let us live off the music, baby. You cut the check, we react to it. You know what I'm saying? Stop being greedy. Can we live too? Nah, that's all. I just want to live. Can we live? Come on now. We are the new A&Rs of the music business. Reactors. Period. You can't get away from it.
That's facts.
So let me cut the check, man. I mean, like, we can sit down and negotiate and do some business. Yeah, we can do that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Shout out to everybody worldwide. Give this video a thumbs up. Yeah.
Peace out.